Hey nieces and nephews, guess what? It's Uncle Chris, and we're doing a food pantry haul video, Christmas edition. Ho, ho, ho. No, it's not Santa. It's Uncle Chris.
What you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking.
Let's see what you get at the food pantry during the holiday times. Is it stuff for Christmas?
No, not really.
But they do give us some things that we can use and improvise if we use our brains and be smart about it. So come on, let me show you what I got and what we can do. Ooh, and what I might use for the 12 days of appetizers.
We are starting from the left to the right, and I must say this is a bountiful haul. Now first, we've got some peaches. Some wonderful peach halves. This would make a nice peach cobbler or something else with a dessert. We've got some sliced yellow cling peaches. Some sliced pears. As the dog laps up her water. I can hear her in the background. I've got some no salt added whole kernel corn. I love this. Then I've got some more corn down here. We've got 2 cans of it. Love that. We haven't done this in so long, nieces and nephews. Then I've got 2 cans of no salt added diced tomatoes. Love that. Then we've got some spaghetti sauce down here. Then up here, we've got, look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4 cans of cut green beans. We could make another green bean casserole. So that's a holiday dish right there. Then we've got some chili with no beans. Ooh, that gives me an idea. I got an idea. Then we've got some chicken breast meat in the can. This makes great chicken salad. Then over here we've got some good tuna. Then over here we've got that tuna. You know what I mean. If you know, you know. Then back here, look at this. We've got 2 chicken soups. 1 Campbell's and that other kind. But you know what you can do with this other kind? If you put curry in this, it makes a heck of a sauce. I don't know why, but it does. Remember, curry, lots of it, okay? The cream of chicken, the chicken noodle down there will be great as a soup starter for something else, so just make a can of chicken soup. Then look at this. They give us 3 loaves of bread. Wheat bread. Let's see. Fresh and soft, and yes, it is. This also gives me an idea, for the appetizer I might want to do for the 12 days of appetizers. That's going to be ending soon. I'm going to be sad. We're going to jump over here, and we've got some white rice. I just did the dishes. We got some white rice. Now, you could do some Christmas dishes with this. You could do rice dressing. That would be nice. We've also got 1, 2, 3, 4 packs of cheese macaroni. Or macaroni and cheese. What is with me? You know, you could make a really nice holiday macaroni and cheese with this. A real huge pan for your whole family. Then look at this. We've got some cookie dough cookies. You bake in the oven. Maple brown sugar with white chocolate. That's me, white chocolate. Get it? Okay. Anyway. We've got some ramen. Now, I don't use the pack. I have a video showing you how to make your ramen without using that salty pack, and it tastes just as good. In fact, I think it's a little better. Of course, I'm biased. We've got 2 packs of small red beans. Ooh, yes. Then 2 packs of pinto beans. Oh, that would be good with some smoked meat. Ooh, and some stuffing. Then over here we've got some peanut butter. We've got a pack of white pollock fish fillets. These are good. You got to soak these in buttermilk though, so they don't have that fishy taste. And then you have some good eating. Trust me on that. We got 4 nice baked potatoes, or I should say russet potatoes, for baking. You can also scoop them out Make twice baked potatoes with these. Mm. Then back here, we've got some sweet potatoes. We can make, candied yams with those. Or sweet potato french fries. Yes. Then down here, I've got a whole chicken. Now, instead of a turkey, you could do a couple chickens. You really could. You could stuff him, season him up like a holiday bird, or spatchcock the chicken. Now, I've shown you how to do that. That's where you split him wide open, spread him out, season him real good, put him down in your rack or your roasting pan. Oh, yeah. Girls, cut that out. I tell you, those dogs want to act up as soon as I'm doing a video. I got 3 apples here. That also gives me an idea for those 12 days of appetizers. And then up here, we got 2 bags of cuties. Look at that. Javen's going to love these, and so am I. I've got 3 ears of corn. No, 4. Oh, that's nice. We could do these in the boiler with some butter and seasoning. Or I could use my indoor grill I have. I bought an indoor grill, y'all. A little electric indoor grill. We're going to try it out. Then I've got a whole cabbage. We could do some cabbage and bacon. We could do boiled cabbage, or we could do sweet and sour cabbage soup. I got to get the recipe down for that so I can show it to you guys. Then back here, I've got a whole pineapple. Now, of course, we're going to eat it, but I could take the skin and make some Christmas pineapple tea. I'm going to do that, okay? You guys will love it. I'll show you how you do it. Then over here, I've got a whole bag of mild cheddar cheese. Oh, okay. So I am going to do a macaroni and cheese. I've already done those quiches. Did you see the quiches I did for the 12 days of Christmas? Check out my videos I'm doing with Miss Simply Meals by T Vlog. We're doing a collaboration of the 12 days of appetizers for Christmas. Then we got white whole mushrooms. A huge container. This gives me an idea too. Ooh, I got so many ideas. I could make mushroom stuffing. I can make mushroom soup. I can make stuffed mushrooms. I can also make grilled or sauteed mushrooms. Yes. See, now maybe we didn't get traditional things for Christmas right now, but this does give you an idea of things you can make. Like my little Christmas village we got here in the food pantry hall. Yes, I love it. Let's look at all the things we got. This is truly a blessing. I think we got some really good items. Now, like I said, we didn't get traditional items, but we got things that we could make a really good dinner with. That chicken could be center stage with a nice golden tan on him from the oven. Little butter, little rosemary. Yes, rosemary and thyme. That would be good. Now, I want you to watch my other videos I just did with Simple Meals by T Vlog. That's her right there. Yeah. We're doing the 12 days of appetizers for Christmas. Yes, I got some good recipes, nieces and nephews. If you missed it, you got to look at it. We're also having a big contest, $50 first cash prize. It'll go right to your Cash App. If you guess and have watched the videos, we're going to have some questions. You guess it right, you win the first prize. Then we got 2 second prizes of $10. Why not? I'm hoping one of my nieces and nephews can win it. Now, I want you to like, I want you to comment, I want you to subscribe. I want you to write to me at Uncle Chris, the food pantry chef at gmail.com. I also want you to send me your Christmas pictures. No one's been sending me pictures lately. I miss that. I want to see your Christmas pics because my Christmas special is coming up with my music video. Yes, I wrote a Christmas song. And I'm going to show you the lights all around Chicago and the outskirts. You are going to be amazed. All right. Till tomorrow. Because remember, the 12 days of Christmas aren't quite up yet. So here's your chance. Watch them all. And you can win. All right? All right.
Big love from Uncle Chris. Bye-bye.